How to change the zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the zodiac sign on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your zodiac sign on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Now one thing you have to understand is that your zodiac sign comes from your date of birth, and each date of birth has different type of zodiac signs. So if you want to change the zodiac sign, you need to find under which birthday the zodiac signs lies at, because it's usually 1 month, but depending upon which month to which month, and inside of that is basically where you will find your zodiac sign. So if I tap my profile icon and tap over here, currently you can see I'm a Pisces because my birthday lies somewhere between February. And then what you want to do is tap the gear icon, tap on your birthday, change your birthday. Now you can basically Google it in order to see for which zodiac sign you want which birthday, so make sure to change your birthday to that. After that your zodiac sign will get automatically changed, and this way you can go ahead and change the zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.